There's a big push now to make improved methods to treat cancer, but you can't cure cancer if you can't find it. My family's like many others. My grandfather died of pancreatic cancer. My aunt died of colon cancer. My uncle died of lung cancer. And my mother-in-law died of colon cancer that was misdiagnosed for more than a year and a half. I think there are many families that have experienced the same kind of thing. And part of it is because our diagnostic system does not work very effectively to find the cancer at an early enough stage that a cure is more likely. Today there's a dilemma in cancer diagnostics. For the top 4 cancers, there are screening regimens, but they can take a long time to reach a diagnostic decision. And when that happens, they end up being expensive, and more importantly, they leave you in a state of anxiety while you're waiting for months to get a diagnostic answer. Do I have cancer or not? For the other major cancers, there are no screening tests whatsoever. These cancers are usually detected when symptoms show up, and often this is too late. This is what TRAXXSSON set out to change. Our mission at TRAXXSSON is to provide those early diagnoses so that there's a much greater odds of having a cure from the cancer that's found, and to not make cancer a scary word. Early diagnosis can really make a difference. In the past, lung cancer was detected generally when symptoms showed up, or there was some other reason to do a chest x-ray. By those methodologies, when cancer was found, it was found in stage 3 and 4, late stages, and the survival over the next 5 years was less than 30%. Now, with the lung screening that's done by low-density CAT scans, over 67% of the cancers are found in stage 1, and in stage 1, the survival for 5 years or longer is 67%. It's almost a complete reversal, and it gives you an idea of how important early detection can be in finding cancer and improving the chances of a cure. For the breast cancer diagnostic, we're well down the pathway to development. We're about 6 months away from commercialization. We just need to be able to put together the last few pieces and have donations to help us get to the point where we can make it available to the public. Finding lung cancer even today can be difficult. Not everyone gets a screen. As an example, I had a friend who was in an automobile accident. They had a severe impact on their chest as a result of it. No severe injuries in the auto accident, but when they did a scan on them, they found a spot on their lung. And a few years later, they had died from lung cancer that had been asymptomatic, wouldn't have been diagnosed for many years until they had the accident. There's a big push now to make improved methods to treat cancer, but you can't cure cancer if you can't find it.